Hello, my name is Michelle Baker. I am the Queen of Confidence. I am an award-winning international keynote speaker, and I am a successful selling strategist. And this is the group coaching program called The Business of Belief. And what this group is about helping women to cultivate confidence that's so unwavering and so unapologetic that they no longer, or you no longer, ask for permission to do the things that you know you're called to do. There's three things that I know for sure, and this is over my lifespan, coming from a birth into a family that did not want me, accident of birth, from being incarcerated at 20, from being raised in a household with things that shouldn't even happen to a child or a pretty girl around alcoholic men, from going out into the world and seeking to have someone validate me and love me when we're actually called to love ourselves, right? From being so successful and having people tell me all these awesome and wonderful things and not knowing why I couldn't believe them and why I kept self-sabotaging, to the point now where I am no longer wavering and apologetic about my ability to be in the business of belief. Everything I do has brought me to this point in life where I am here for you. My goal for every woman who joins this group is that at the end of your time with me, you will be so in love, so committed, and so confident in who you are, you become contagious. So there are three things that I know for sure when it comes to success in business, when it comes to success in life. One of those things is conviction or clarified vision. The first thing is clarified vision, knowing and giving yourself a target. When you have a vision, it's so powerful, you will continue to move forward in life no matter what. Without a vision, the only thing you have to operate in is what you currently know. And the only thing you know right now is the past. So you will be living a life of the future in the past. So clarified vision is vitally important. The second thing is conviction of purpose. Your why. What is the reason you get up in the morning? What springs you out of bed? What are the things that keep you going when people tell you can't, when you have the naysayers, when things fall apart? Life is not about achieving to be happy. Life is about happily achieving. When you are able to, no matter what comes after you, hold the course, keep your emotional energy intact, that's when success becomes it becomes unwavering. So you have the vision, you have your purpose, right? Then you're able to keep doing no matter what. And the third thing is to confidently communicate. So if you have a vision, you have a why, and you still don't know how to communicate confidently, you still get insecure, you still think other people are more important to you because they have status, because they have stuff, because of who they are, and not realizing that you are just as beautiful and lovable and worthy as they are. You just have taken different paths in life. When you are able to confidently communicate with every individual, no matter what, and understand that you are glorious just as you are. You are uniquely created and beautifully made, and that makes you amazing. So when you have those three things, right? Clarified vision, conviction of purpose, and ability to confidently communicate, all bets are off. You are the person that I wouldn't even bet against. There's no option but for you to win when those things get lined up. And the beautiful thing about this is all of these things I talk about are not something that we're born with. We know we have a voice inside of us, but in order to align that voice, when life has gotten in the way, when things have taken you off your path, when you've been living a life of what you should have done, what you needed to do, what you ought to do, what you had to do, what you were told to do, what you believe that the way it should have been, you will go astray. So this time is about you lining up and making yourself impenetrable, right? Becoming a force of good to be reckoned with in the world and making change and impact everywhere you go, leaving others better off. It's a beautiful thing, and it's magnetically attractive to abundance, to profits, to just all type of amazing things. So that's what this group is for. It is a group that will take you through next year. So I've set it to go through September, but I don't plan for this group to end. I just know that when you sign up, you're signing up to birth something. So there's generally a 9-month process. So we've opened the group. from December until January, and who knows, I might keep it open after that. There are no rules here. This is about me creating space for you to know and learn and become all that you can be. And this is what I do. This is what I'm masterful at. And this is what I was created for. And I look forward to you joining the group. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, send me an email, michelle@michellebaker.com. Let's have a conversation. And I know if you got to this point where you've watched the video, you already know what you want to do. So welcome. See you soon. Thank you.